Hello, my name is Inga. We were in the process to start a renovation for our bathroom. We found out about the company named VKB. From there on, it started to become a paradise. We started with Chesney, the interior designer, and we were very happy with her because we had some ideas, she had some ideas, and we brought them together. It turned out to be the most elegant bathroom, in my opinion, which I was very happy with. The timing was perfect, the work was perfect, and I want to mention also the crew who did the work, which was amazing. And we never ever had one single problem. It is just a joy to walk into the bathroom every morning. I would highly recommend to work anybody who needs to have a bathroom renovation with VKB.